Step 1. Generate receiver's address. Select receive on BNB token. Now a receiver's address would be generated from your X1 Vault device. Select the checkmark option. Enter the PIN if you have set up one. Fetch and tap any one of the 4 X1 cards onto the X1 Vault. Match the receiver's address which you see on the X1 Vault device with the one which you see on the screen. Your receiver's address has been successfully generated. Now we will go to Binance. In the withdraw section, select the token which you want to withdraw. Paste the receiver's address here and it will automatically detect the network. Enter the amount which you want to withdraw and then select withdraw. Select confirm. Make sure that the entered details are correct and then select continue. Now you'll need to verify the transaction in your Binance wallet. Use whichever method you have set up. As you can see, the withdrawal has been successful and we will check the transaction status. Let's check the SaiSync app to see whether we have received the funds or not. As you can see, we have successfully received the BNB token here. That's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to CypherRock's channel, and make sure you check out this playlist which is about wallet security. Until next time, signing off.